So yeah guys, welcome to my channel. As my previous video, as I promised you guys that I will be starting my investment with $20, and today is 30th of December 2025. So as you can see, currently my account balance is $56. But don't worry, we are still starting with $20, okay? Because I deposited this money like some month ago. And then if you can see my holdings, I have about $41 on USDT. And I had like $9. It was $10, but market dropped. $9 on Bitcoin and $5 on Shiba Inu. So you can see, right? But this, let's just neglect all this, and we are starting with the balance of 40. Let's just say $40. All right, so I'm going to make my first purchase today, and the 31st, right? My first investment on my account. So let's go to dashboard. So I'm making this live for you guys to see. Check this date. You can see, right? Today is 30th of December 2025 as I'm making this video, and this is going to be my first investment. So I'll be investing on Bitcoin. I'll be investing 50% of my money on Bitcoin. Then the remaining 50, I'll split it. All right, starting with $20, which means as you can see, the current price of Bitcoin is at $87,900 as of today. So let's go to Bitcoin. Very low, very load. So yeah, we are on Bitcoin chart. So let's purchase Bitcoin of $10, right? So you can see the chart, right? Let me go to the weekly so you can see clearly. See where Bitcoin is trading. Bitcoin is at this zone, at this level, which is kind of a good spot to buy. Feel me? But I'm kind of anticipating that Bitcoin is going to drop a little bit to this level before you can see a massive move upside down, to the upside rather. But as an investor, I don't really care much about that. So I just have to come here. As you can see, my balance is $41 because I will be depositing before the 30th. If you understand, I will be depositing on my account before 30th of, or before 30 or before 15th of each month. So let's come here and put $10. I'll be buying for $10, right? Because I'm investing $20. So Bitcoin is going to carry 50%. So I have to put $10, right? So we are buying at the market price. Oh, let's see. Yeah, we are buying at market price. Sorry. So let me put $10. So I'll be getting Bitcoin approximately of 0.00047, which is cool, right? So buy. As you can see, but I've bought the $10 worth of Bitcoin. So let's go to overview, and then let's come back to coin, right? So as you can now see that my USDT is now $32. I've bought some Bitcoin. I've bought $10. I was having $10 on Bitcoin before, but I've bought additional 10. So Bitcoin is now about 19 or 20. So now we now have $10, right, to buy another asset. So the one I'm currently looking at right now to buy is Cardano, right? I'll be investing on Bitcoin more and Ethereum, but I kind of want to buy Cardano and Ethereum because let me show you guys what I mean. This Cardano, right? Let's go to Cardano's chart. There we go. This Cardano is among my watch list pair that I really want to invest my money into, right? So if I go to the 1 month chart of Cardano, you can see that let me see the, what's it called, sorry, the all-time high of Cardano. The all-time high of Cardano was $3.1, right? And Cardano is currently trading at what? 0.3, which is crazy, right? Which is really, really crazy. And then so I will be investing more on Cardano. Yeah, I will be investing more on Cardano. Let me see the weekly chart. This is the week chart of Cardano. You can see that Cardano is really at a good spot to buy. You can see it right. But I really don't care. So let's go. Let's buy some Cardano. Market price. Let's put $5 on Cardano, right? 5 USD. I'll be getting about 91 pieces of Cardano. Fair enough. Buy. Successful. I've bought in some Cardano as well. So let's go back to overview, right? So sorry. Holdings. So there we go. We now have my USDT now is now $27. We now have Bitcoin, Shiba $5, Cardano dropped. I guess I got about 14 pieces of Cardano, which is approximately $4.9. Right. So now let's now buy Ethereum with our last $5. Right. So next on the 15th of January, I will be buying more of it. Right. So let's go back to sorry Ethereum. There we go. So let it load. This is Ethereum chart. Ethereum is currently trading at $2,900 as of today as I'm making this video. Right. So and I guess Ethereum all-time high was around $4.956, right? And it's currently trading probably half of the price, right? Because it's currently trading at 2.9. So fair enough. So let's just buy some. Oh man, Ethereum is pushing. Look at that. Ethereum is pushing, but as an investor, I really don't care because my plan is to just um dollar cost average. If you understand dollar cost average, that means I'll just be buying and be buying every 15th and every 20th and every 30th of the month, regardless of the market condition. So Ethereum, $5. Ethereum, right? So estimated fee, and I'll get 0.09. Fair enough. Okay. So buy, right? Market price, order field. So this month we've invested enough. I've invested the money I want to invest for the month, which is $20 as I promised. Let me refresh this so you guys don't think I'm just yapping here. This is kind of a pre-record. This is not pre-record. This is live. You can see that. Check the date. 30th of 12 2025, and this is live, right? So now these are my holdings. Let me go to my holdings. So my holding as we speak, I still have about $20 on my account. Probably I may add. I'll be deposit. What I mean by I'll be depositing more USDT. So in case of on the 15th, and but whenever I'll be making my investment is going to be on the 30th and on the 15th. Do you understand? So and with time goes on, I'll be scaling my investment. I started with $20. So probably on the 15th, I may still invest $20 or 40 or 50 or 100. But with time goes on, I will be increasing my investment, but it won't go below $20. The minimum amount I'll be investing is $20. So now we have $19 invested on Bitcoin, $5 invested on Shiba. Actually, this Shiba I got it like a couple of months ago, so this doesn't count. But let's just leave it there. Understand? So, Cardano, which is other, I invested $5. Ethereum, I invested $5. So, yeah, all these ones are, I don't know, they are just sitting there without any money, any reasonable amount of money. But those are my investments as we speak. So I'll see you guys on the 15th in order to invest this $22. So I will now be sure, I will now know that the total estimated balance here is all my investment. Because as we speak, this is not all my investment. This is my estimated balance. But I invested $20 and I still have, I've already invested about $30, right? So I still have about $22 left on my account. But what you guys think? Buy? Should I just buy everything? Or I should just leave it? Let me know on the comment section, guys, if you think that I should just use this remaining balance to buy more. So on the 15th I will deposit and buy directly instead of leaving my money there. I don't know, you guys should comment down below your option. But we've started, and then I will see you guys on the 15th of January. Hopefully I will see you guys on the 15th of January. And thank you guys so much for watching, for following me along on this journey. As I told you guys, this is going to be a 10-year plan. So this is my first investment, and this is my first deposit. As you can see, this is live. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Peace out.